So today on Williams Adventures, I'm going to be doing my second attempt at making a knife. I already have the coal going, I have the spike in there heating up as it is, and I have everything set up. So here, let's take a look. My anvil with my tools. You can see that spike is in there. It's getting nice and hot. I'm gonna have to flip it pretty soon. So here's my second attempt at making a knife. So here it is finished. This is my second knife. Gotta clean it up. I literally just pulled it out of the oil and dried it off. So here is what I'm going to call the finished knife. And if you look, or paying attention, the side here fades into the twist, yet the top and the bottom don't. They end. And the reason that looks rippled is because it's a bench grinder. I don't have a belt sander that I really need, but that's quite alright. This is my second knife. I'm really happy with it. There's a very nice curve to it overall. And then a false edge here with a pretty much clip point. Comes down for a very abrupt edge. But that's alright, it'll make a great skinning knife, flaying knife. So there you go, my second knife.